It's your girl Shiny DITL, your favorite mommy vloggy, and I am back again with another video. And I think my battery is going dead at the beginning of the vlog. Actually, this is like the middle of the day. I already finished work, so I'm getting ready to pick the kids up, and then I guess I'll be taking y'all into the evening with me. I will be back with you shortly. You'll get to see the kiddos. Say hi. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's still on. You say hi? You need to clean your face and get hi. Hi. Now, I am at Wendy's. Let's see. Wendy's. I'm at Wendy's. But yes, as I was trying to do my intro for you guys. And again, but that's good. That means the line's moving. So, it's your girl, Shiny DITL, your favorite mommy vloggy, and I am back again for another video. So, how y'all doing today? I hope y'all having an amazing day. I am having a great day thus far. I am very grateful. What am I doing today? Today is Tuesday. Yes, today is Tuesday, and I am about to eat something to eat. I'm on my lunch break at work. Not at work, I'm at Wendy's. I'm on my lunch break from work, and I got me a 4 for $4 with a cheeseburger and the nuggets. I wanted sweet and sour sauce, but I got honey mustard because they were out of sweet and sour sauce, because everybody must know how good it is. And I got a strawberry Fanta and a strawberry Frosty because I got the little keychain, so I got it for free. That new strawberry Frosty that they have is pretty darn good. It's pretty good. If you haven't tried it yet, the strawberry Frosty from Wendy's, give it a try. It's pretty good. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Yes, because right now we are currently at 22-0, which, girl, I'm gonna be proud and I'm happy for every single one of y'all, but I see it's more of y'all that are watching, so that means you are not subscribed. So girl, subscribe please.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
All right, we got a 4 for $4.
Yeah.
The strawberry and the junior chocolate frosty.
Yes.
All right, for 40, please. Thank you, the Wendy's. Can I have your order, please?
Thank you.
Salsa?
Yes.
There you go. Have a blessed day.
Thank you, you too.
2 hours later.
What's up, y'all? So I just got finished with work. I'm finally off. I meant to shoot a little bit while I was in there, but I didn't get a chance. So here I am. I'm back. Tonight, hubby ordered Chinese, so we'll be having Chinese. I might try to remember to show y'all some of that this evening and let y'all get a chance to see the kiddos, and maybe even hubby if he's okay with it. Now I am about to get ready to get the kiddos, and we're gonna head home and eat.
A few moments later.
And not focused yet. There we go. Say hi. Hi. Say hi, Ellie.
Hi.
Yay. Everyone says hello. Where's the baby?
What's going on, baby?
The baby says hi.
Baby.
You say hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey.
Ellie about to brush her teeth. She said hi.
Hey.
Hi. Say hi.
Hey.
You gotta brush your teeth.
Okay.
You can't have Patsy right now.
Bye.
She get it when she go to bed. You brush your teeth. That's what you use. Brush your teeth. You gotta say brush your teeth. Brush teeth. Ooh, Elijah, come here, baby. Stay from over there. Ah.
What's good?
Brush, brush, brush.
Look good.
Yeah, Lord. Elijah, come here, baby. Ah. We got Elijah with us. Say hi, Elijah.
Hi.
Let's see, get some light. Say hi, Elijah.
Hi.
Big brother.
Boo.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you, Mama. Nana Ellie.
Bye.
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 Bye. We've already started eating, but this is the honey chicken and fried rice, and this is bourbon chicken and lo mein. So we had already started eating. Let's check on Bay.
Oh. I don't see me on that.
You got something to say to the vlog?
Oh yeah, I got something to say to all y'all. See, you looking at the world's greatest right here. I know I didn't put on a little pounds, but it ain't about what it look like in the moment. It's about what it's gonna be in the end, and I'm gonna finish strong.
The baby. Say hi, girl. Hi, girl. Hi. Say hi, mama. Say hi, mama. Yeah. Hi, pretty cute. Her shirt says adorable, cause she's adorable little mama. This mama little pumpkin. Little pumpkin. Her little beard. Well, I just taking a bath. I'll show y'all him when he gets out, and I'll be back with y'all in a minute because I need to be in here giving him a bath. This is our quality time, ain't it? Larger book.
He done became a mama boy some kind of way. He used to live in debt.
The vlog say night night. Say night night. You mad? I love you, Elijah. Whoa.
Whoa.
Give mama a kiss.
Whoa.
You mad at me? You not give mama